Good morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. We're doing great out here in Arizona, waiting for the spring, as I'm sure some of you probably are. Hopefully, it's coming. That's the rumor. Anyway, so what we got today is a big group of sign carvers of the day. I try and get these, get one of these every couple weeks, but there's so much been going on. I think I'm a little bit behind. This group is going to take us clear through the end of November of last year. So the group after this will be December, maybe hopefully into January. Anyway, let's get going because we got a big group here. First, Bo Trower. So it's kind of a neat little pedestal sign. I love it. Great job, Bo. Bo always does great stuff. Bo knows signs. Robert Burgess. Robert Burgess, this is, he made this for his father-in-law's birthday, 70th birthday. Great job. Really nice, Robert. Tio Salgado. This is a 4x4, 42 inches tall. Great job, Tio. Joe Irene. Oops, I'm sorry. I like to see him from the back side, and I can't the other way. Very nice. Those are our fatty font, I think. Very nice. Here is Kim Oceanbine. 12x24. Beautiful job. Great job, Kim. I love the colors. That's a lot of work. Very well done. Craig Ferguson. Only carving for about 2 months. Sold 6 and over $600 in pending orders. Nicely done. Hope you're having fun, Craig. Sounds like you are. Great job. Glenn Fournier. Great job, Glenn. Sounds like it's raining outside. Yeah, we're having kind of nasty weather out here today, down in the 40s.
I love that one.
This one is so cool. So this is that character.
But doesn't he?
Hey Now?
You know? Hey is on. Hey is the character, so now she renamed him Hey Now.
Hey Now, gotcha.
She's in the. Yeah,
and that is really well done.
Very well.
I love the edge too. Really well done. Good job, Karen. Clinton Dugar.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, very nice. Nice. Great job, Clint. Albert from Germany. This is his first sign. This is the gentleman that made that museum video for us, the gallery, where it had all of the clips from our stuff. This is his first sign. Incredible. Great job, Albert. Will Hackler. Really cool.
I like that chainsaw.
Yeah. Will is a 6th grade teacher. Great job.
God bless him. I gotta have patience.
Oh boy.
Been there, done that.
Dale. This is for his granddaughter's treehouse.
From Essex, England.
Yes, and his granddaughter's treehouse is in Scotland. Beautiful job. Love that color. Beautiful. Mason from Scotland. Very first sign. That's his first sign. Incredible. And I think that's made from Scottish oak. Yeah. Incredible. Great job, Mason. Mark, how do you say that? Griffey's. Mark Griffey's. Cool logo. In memory of
Daniel Osborne King. Cool.
Great job, Mark. Justin Hellickson.
I love that tree.
Yeah, it's a terrific artwork.
Cool.
So what does it say?
But I shook my family tree and a bunch of nuts fell out.
Very nice, Justin. Justin does great work. All right, I got to turn these now. Bull Jordan. You and Bull talk all the time.
Well, we don't talk all the time, just when we're on the live feed.
Oh, he had a lot to say about your welding.
That's true.
Great job, Bull. Love it. Good job. Jim Peranto.
Aww.
So a 17-inch tree. He sells these at Christmas time. Obviously, this was during Christmas time. 17-inch tree is $27. And he's got an 11-inch tree and a 14-inch tree.
Cool. I like the snowmen.
Yeah, very nice. Nice job, Jim. He sells a lot of these at Christmas. This is the second season that I've seen him selling those. Pete Wilson says every time he posts these on Facebook, he sells them.
Are they like ice chests?
I think it's ice chest, yeah.
Very cool.
Very popular. Yeah. Very nice. Great job, Pete. Jimmy Havens. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool?
Hold that still.
That is a great looking logo. Great looking logo, and he did an awesome job on carving it. Beautiful. 26 by 31. Beautiful job, Jimmy. Bob Rokon.
He's from Canada.
Bob's from Canada?
Mm-hmm.
Very first sign.
Very nice.
Yeah. Nice job, Bob. Bruce Peter. Man Cave sign. I like it. Bruce is a guy that actually teaches classes once in a while. He came to our seminar a couple years ago. Kurt Tuttle.
The devil saw me with my head down and thought he'd won until I said amen. I like that.
Very nicely done. Yeah, I love it. Great job, Kurt. Check out we were just talking about Joanne today, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check out the colors on that. I remember Joanne asked me, sent that artwork to me and asked me sent me a picture before it was painted, and so I saw it both times. But terrific job, Joanne. Beautiful. I love the colors. Excellent job. Stephen Rousseau? I can't see it from this side.
Rousseau? I'm not sure. Sorry, Steve.
Rousseau. Maybe it's French. Looks like French. Pretty sign.
Very nice.
Nicely done. I've always liked the notch corners. Looks really nice. Mike Shinley, I think. Now, Mike's wife is a minister, and she does custom-themed weddings. This is a box that she gives to the couple for their mementos. Vows, cards, etc. Go inside. Figured maple and walnut is what she made this out of. Fantastic job. Great job, Mike. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Nathan Kraft. Check out that flag. Flags are popular. Man alive. There's about 1,000 different versions out there. More than that, actually. Great job, Nathan. I love the colors.
Looks like is it got resin on it?
Yeah, I think it does, based on the shiny there. It looks like I didn't write any notes about that, but I think so. Yeah. Great job, Nathan. Merry Christmas from Gary Litchfield.
Oh, very nice sign.
Yeah. It's got neat colors. I like that. It's kind of a version of a little bit like our So Very Thankful that we did at Thanksgiving. Very nice. Love the shape. Chuck Young.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot. He made this for a baby shower.
Trees.
Isn't that cool?
Very cool.
Chuck does some really beautiful. If you guys go back and look at on Facebook, by the way, in case you guys don't remember, these all eventually get posted onto my Facebook page, or Dave Sign's Facebook page. We have albums on there. But anyway, Chuck, I love that sign. Love the live edge.
Bukowski from Poland.
Artur Butowski. That's actually, it's Artur without the H. Yeah, so he makes these boxes.
Very cool. I like that.
Isn't that neat? Customize them, put the car on there. Great job, Artur. Matthew Furrer. I probably butchered the heck out of that.
Look at that Jeep. That's cool.
He used white acrylic, water-based helmsman on top with no yellowing.
No yelling.
Yellowing.
You did a great job on that Jeep. That's awesome.
So I guess the water, I've never used the water-based helmsman, but I guess it's clear, kind of like the Czar. It's the oil-based helmsman that I've always used that it kind of is amber color. But that white didn't yellow because he used the water-based. So, great job, Matthew. Cindy Wood. Very first sign. Check that out. Kind of left some black on there to give it an old barnwood kind of look. Great job, Cindy.
Donkey.
Yeah. Great job, Cindy. Hope you're enjoying it. Terry Roth. I know Terry.
That is cool.
Isn't that cool?
I think it's just shadowing on the picture, but I want to... That's cool.
Isn't that neat? I love it. Yeah. Rock 'em. Bill Bertham. So he used up a cheap cutting board, masked off cloud, and greened outset letters to preserve the finish.
He didn't carve that. Harvey did.
I think this is just a transfer. Just like a photograph transfer, I believe. Yeah. Great job, Bill. Tom Furris. I think it's Furris. Maybe Furris.
Oh, very nice.
Very first sign. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Oh, winds are blowing out there. Blew the door open. Great job, Tom. For a first sign, man, those are some straight lines for a first sign. Good job, Tom. And last but not least, my buddy Andy Earl down in Alabama.
That Wolf Reserve.
Yeah,
Reserve.
yeah. He's actually made several signs for them, and as donations at raffles and stuff. And I've seen some pictures that I would love to go to that Wolf Preserve.
Yeah,
I bet that is
cool.
just amazing. I've seen pictures. So great job, Andy. All right, you guys, that's it. So sometimes we lay these out, but we're not going to because it was such a big group. But remember, you guys can go to my Facebook page. In fact, my Facebook page and all of the albums are down in the description below. So I've got 3 or 4 albums. I know there's 1,500 to maybe 2,000 pictures now of past sign carvers of the day that are all on Facebook in our albums. The SCOTD 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope these inspire you like they do me, to give me tons of ideas. I hope you guys are doing well. We'll have another video for you within a few days. I'm not even sure exactly when you're going to see this. We've got so much going on. If you haven't subscribed, we'd love for you to subscribe. We'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you do subscribe, be sure and click that little bell icon so you get notified when we post a new video 3 times a week. So anyway, guys, love you all. I'm on every day on Instagram, Make-A-Wood Sign. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, be sure and email me direct, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And if you don't hear back from me within 1 day, that means somehow it went into my spam folder and I missed it. Or if you leave me a message on Facebook, sometimes I miss those. I'm begging you. I'm begging you now. Send me emails to my direct email. Those I always answer within a day and a half max. Anyway, thanks guys. Love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.